Local news for Friday, October the 26th. MP for Hutt South Chris Bishop has welcomed the announcement of a further $56,000 of government funding for the Remataka Cycle Trail. This new funding will be used for the construction of an off-road track alongside Lake Wairarapa, taking riders off the Western Lake Road. The funding comes from the government's Maintaining the Quality of Great Rides Fund, which was established in February 2014. Castle Point has been named as a finalist in the Keep New Zealand Beautiful Awards, which is said to be announced tonight. Last year, Masterton was named as the country's most beautiful city and Greytown, the country's most beautiful small town. And the Masterton Fire Service attended a call out in the early hours of yesterday morning. A fire in the roof of an Oxford Street property saw 3 appliances attend and a family of 7 escape unharmed. The fire is believed to have been started or caused by a light fitting, and resulting in extensive damage. And in sport, the Farriers Wairarapa Bush are underdogs going into Sunday's Lahore Cup final. The TAB have all but ridden off the Wairarapa Bush chances, putting them at $3 head-to-head. We know different though. Go the mighty Wairarapa Bush. From all of us here at Wairarapa TV and MoreFM, good luck to Joe and the team.